no, Roomie is stuck in the net.
Ow!
Can everyone help Roomie for a moment? Let's remove the net slowly. Don't hurt Roomie. All done. Roomie, do you feel better now?
Let's gently remove the seaweed tangled in her hair.
Roomie's hair looks really messy right now. Let's give it a little change, Roomie. First, we'll make it smoother. All right, I think we need a few extra tools. Let's see if there's anything useful in this drawer. I need a key to open it. Wow, looks like we've got some interesting items here.
Wow!
Let's use this bottle to change Roomie's old purple hair color. Be patient for a moment. Can you see the difference? Amazing!
Wow!
Now, let's switch to a brand new hair color. Can you guess what color it is? Add a little bit of color pigment. Wait just a little longer. Something exciting is about to happen. Wow, that's magical. Now turn around, Roomie.
Okay.
I'll make it quick. Okay, everyone, what do you think? Does this hairstyle suit Roomie? Alright, you can turn back now, girl. Roomie's skin doesn't look very good right now. Let me help you. First, we need to take care of these inflamed pimples. Oh wow, there's quite a bit of buildup here. Let's use this poor vacuum to remove the rest. That already looks much better. Now, apply a soothing face mask to calm the skin. We can't forget the eye mask and lip mask. Very soon, Roomie will be back to her beautiful self. And we're finally done. What do you think about Roomie's new look?